Hey family, what's going on? In this video, I want to show you how to buy Bitcoin, right? Now, I do have a team and we use Bitcoin to upload our money to our brokers, right? But you can use it for anything really. So this is the front page of your Cash App, right? You're going to go to the little house on the left-hand corner and the bottom, right? Right where it says Bitcoin, you'll click on that. Where you see these, where it says wallet, it'll say verify Bitcoin, right? It'll take you through all the steps to verify your Bitcoin. It'll ask you just, to take a picture of your ID, a picture of your face, things of that nature. Once it's verified, you're gonna see this screen. And that's when you can start using Bitcoin. So in order to do that, you'll go to the squiggly line right here. And as you can tell, I don't have any Bitcoin. So you're gonna push buy, right? Now you can choose the amount of Bitcoin that you want to purchase. So let's say you wanna purchase $100. You'll do that. You'll press next. And then it'll give you like a $2 fee depending, and you'll press confirm. And that is literally it. It'll confirm your payment, right? So we'll go ahead and do it. You see that 333 in the top. And it says you purchased this amount. You push done, and that's the amount of Bitcoin I just purchased. I got an email. Perfect, right? Instant. You'll go back to the house and you'll press withdraw Bitcoin. Now, let's say you want to withdraw the whole $97, whatever have you. It'll tell you in the top right there where it says withdraw Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, right, it's not going to have it in a dollar amount because Bitcoin is digital. So the way Bitcoin displays the amount is what you see right there. So 0.009333173. So let's say we want to do that whole amount. You'll go 933173, withdraw. Press withdraw, and then it's going to ask you for the address, right? Enter the Bitcoin wallet address, which you would get that from your website, wherever you're trying to withdraw the money. Now that's one way to do it. The second way to do it, if you're on any kind of computer, whatever, what have you, they should have a barcode that you can scan, which makes it that much easier. And that'll be in the left-hand corner. You're gonna scan the barcode, right? And then it'll be instant. Now, a little disclaimer. When you're doing this, right, the first time that you upload Bitcoin, it may take up to a day to upload, right? It can take anywhere from an hour to 12 hours to upload the first time you do it, right? The first time you upload it or deposit it. After that, it's instant, family. And it's that simple. I hope you found this resourceful, and I hope you're able to deposit Bitcoin and upload it. Have a great day.